Hi guys, today we are talking with Snehith Raju, who is currently studying at Deggendorf, and he is at the moment he is in Stuttgart. He is at my place, and yeah, so he was doing as work. He's working. He was working in India as a manager level at a JSW steel plant, and with 11 lakhs per annum, and his life was fantastic back in India. But after coming to Germany, let's know his experience and how he feel about the course or like whatsoever. And how was your experience after coming to Germany and with your roommates and about the city and everything when compared to Stuttgart, especially?
Compared to Stuttgart. Okay.
Yeah.
So back then I was right now I'm living in Cham, which is in Bavaria state. It is like a village.
Mm-hmm.
So basically everything shuts down and most of them are old. So then I understood the importance of language, like you already mentioned before coming
Yeah,
here.
yeah, yeah,
He told me to learn the language, so I just took it not so seriously. So we only completed till A1 level and came here. Then the reality hit me very hard.
Oh,
Then I understood the importance of language. When it came to communicating with people, most of them don't like really speak English at all. So it was very hard initially. So sometimes I just come here to just hang out, chill. Yesterday he cooked some nice biryani. We enjoyed it. Yeah, but coming to the experiences, it is not as comfortable as in India because here you have to do your own chores by yourself, and you come with a blocked amount, and
yeah, yeah.
it keeps getting finished, and you have the stress like you have to find a job, you have to do your own work, you have to study at the same time, learn the language, and the exams are coming up in next month. So there's a lot of stress. Back in
Yeah.
India, I used to earn like 80k, 80,000 per month. Even though I give 30-40k at my home, I still have 40k to spend for my own self.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Back then I had a car, I had a bike,
Wow.
I had few friends.
So back in India, you have a very good luxurious life, but
Luxurious
here
life,
it's
bro.
completely opposite.
Here it's completely opposite. But the reason why I came here is, according to me, life is all about experiences.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. True.
So if life is all about experiences, there's nothing to lose.
Yeah.
So that's the reason I just chose this uncomfortable path.
So Snake, like, and after getting into calm, how is the easy to like mingle with the Germans or like easy to get the job and how is the city like when you as you stayed in Stuttgart? I think you know how the Stuttgart is. So when you compare to Stuttgart, like, can you please tell like how is calm?
Okay.
Yeah.
So like I already mentioned, Kam is like a village.
Mm-hmm.
So there, getting a part time is very hard. You
Oh,
don't get a part time job so easily
okay.
because there are very limited options for part times,
Mm-hmm.
and those are already occupied. So
Mm-hmm.
getting a part time is very hard. Most of the people who are staying in Kam go to Nuremberg or Regensburg
Okay.
for work. It's like 1.5 hour travel.
Mm-hmm.
Up and down, it is 3 hours travel.
Oh.
People go that far and work.
Mm-hmm.
There are also people who are working in Munich.
Oh my God. How long is it like from Calm to
Three and
Munich?
a half hours, come to Munich.
Oh my God.
So
Up and down.
no.
Just a go.
Just for going, it's 3.5 hours.
Oh
Up
my.
and down, it's 7 hours.
Oh my God.
There are
Then.
a few people who are working like that also.
Mm-hmm. From Calm
Yeah,
to
so
Daily up and down. Oh,
yeah,
oh yeah.
so
That's too much
it is
hectic.
very hard to get a part-time
Mm-hmm.
job.
Yeah.
And if you have around B1, B2 level German,
Okay.
then I think that things work differently.
And is any of your seniors or like in your batch working at work, like working as a working student or internship? Like, does anything is happening in your circle?
I've met more than 100 people.
Mm-hmm.
From them, from the 100 people, only two people are doing a work student job,
Okay. So it's
and they came like 2 years before,
mm-hmm.
and they are into the field of IT.
Okay.
So for mechanical people or civil people who are into core fields,
Mm-hmm.
getting a working student job also needs language. So you got
Oh.
to take language classes and prepare well for
Yeah, yeah.
language also.
And your course is currently is on AI.
Yeah.
And current like if you see the trend is in AI. So I think like you will get the job or working student
Yeah.
soon. And but as far as I know, in Munich there are many AI startups. So yeah, you will get it soon.
Yeah, hopefully,
Yeah,
because back then in India, I had 3.5 years experience in
Mm-hmm.
working in production department.
Okay.
My course is in artificial intelligence interlinked with production departments.
Wow.
So I already have the background of production department, but I have like zero knowledge about coding and stuff.
Yeah.
But
Coding is like so easy now. Everyone is
yeah,
doing vibe coding.
yeah.
Yeah. Nothing is there in that.
The
Yeah.
same thing is said by our professor also.
Okay.
Right now I'm learning machine learning also.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
And
So
when are your exams? Like, is it?
the exams are coming up, man. They are
Oh.
they're next month only.
So you are
It's
going to
already
have a crocodile festival soon.
it's already been 2 months I came here,
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
and the exams are next month.
Super. Super. And how do you feel about cooking and like
Ah,
managing your
bad, bro.
work?
Don't even ask me about that.
Okay.
In India, I was in Maharashtra. There we had a cook.
Cook.
Yeah, we
Wow.
had a cook.
Oh my
The
God.
guy who's recording the video,
Uh-huh.
me and him used to stay together.
Okay.
We used to have a cook. She used to come cook
Mm-hmm.
various types of food,
Okay.
whatever we like.
So as soon as you go to your house, you will be having like what are the food you
Yeah.
want. Oh, super,
Yeah,
that's fantastic.
there was always food ready.
But here you will be see the empty,
Yeah,
empty,
bro.
empty vessels.
Yeah.
Empty, unwashed vessels.
Empty, unwashed vessels.
Yeah.
Especially after you go out and you come home when you're hungry
Okay.
and you see all the unwashed vessels.
Mhm.
The kitchen is not clean.
Mm-hmm.
Then you regret your decision
Oh my
of
God.
coming.
Coming to Germany.
Yeah, it feels like that.
Ah.
I think it's better if you stay alone.
Yeah. Yeah.
This also was told by him before,
Mhm.
but there was no accommodation options in Cham. I'm living in a sharing room.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's
But
better.
if you see where I'm staying, we are like very internationals here,
Yeah.
and it's super. So
Yeah.
nice. I really love my house where
Yeah.
I'm staying. Yeah.
Because if you stay with your own nationality people, you get comfortable at a point.
Yeah. 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 Yeah.
Then when you become comfortable, the things doesn't work in a strict way.
Yes. Yes. True. True. True.
Yeah.
Oh, here we have very strict rules. Like, oh my
Yeah.
God, if you throw some water on in the bathroom, boom, then all the
Yeah.
messages in the WhatsApp. Yeah.
But in where I live now, it is like you did that, so I'm also doing this. You did not wash the vessels, so I'm not washing this time. It goes on like that.
Oh my God.
Hmm.
What are the challenges and problems you have faced so far in Germany after coming to Germany?
Okay. So initially, when I came here, we did not know about sorting the waste
Okay.
because we didn't know that waste should be segregated. Here, there are types of waste which I did not know earlier because none of my friends also told about it. After coming here, then I realized that wastes are types like bio.
Yeah.
There is plastic.
Mm-hmm.
There is again aluminium. So you have to segregate it accordingly. Initially, when we came here, we did a mistake. We did not segregate it and we directly dumped it into the box which is outside.
Yeah.
So we got a warning letter that if this happens again, you need to pay around 10,000 euros fine.
Oh my God. Okay.
10,000 euros is like more than 10 lakh.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
So everyone was scared
Mm-hmm.
initially. Then our owner came to us. He gave us a lecture about the types of waste,
Mm-hmm.
and he explained how sorting must be done.
Mm-hmm.
And suppose if you have a curd box,
Okay.
you after you finish it, you have to wash the box and then put the waste.
Yeah. True. True.
Yeah.
You should not directly dump it.
Directly you can't
Yeah,
dump
yeah,
it.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
So these are the things which initially we faced as a problem. But again, we have an e-scooter, electric scooter,
Yeah.
to travel, to commute from one place to another. Once we were in a folk fest where everyone were drunk, my friends and us. So my friend, what he did is he drove the e-bike when he was drunk. So police came and they randomly tested him on the road itself, on the streets itself. They tested him.
Oh, what do you mean by test?
I mean the alcohol test.
Okay.
They did an alcohol test. The limit was high, so they took him to the police station. There they charged him 500 euros fine. He literally cried over there, but no use. Germans are like strict with the rules.
Okay. So now he has to pay 500 euros.
Yeah,
which
500
is,
euros fine.
which is like off of his blocked account.
Yeah,
Oh my
1
God.
month blocked account.
That's really pain.
Yeah,
And
it's more than 50,000.
yeah. And what are the likes and dislikes about Germany, and what do you feel about this Germany culture and the educational system?
Okay. So it's only been 2 months I came here. In this span, what I like is the weather. The weather, because I came in summer. You know, summer is very beautiful here.
Yeah, yeah.
People come out, they hang out, and it is so good here in summer.
Okay.
and the partying and all I really loved
Mhm.
in here. And I really like the atmosphere. I really like the weather. I really like the water.
Okay.
The air is very pure.
Yeah, yeah.
You can feel the refreshment.
Mhm.
I really like the cleanliness here.
Okay.
The rules are also to an extent is good because we directly don't cross the road. We press the button, wait for the signal, and then cross the road.
Yeah.
So everything is well organized here. These are the things as far as now I liked it.
Okay.
But the things I don't like is the bureaucracy.
Okay.
It's very bad. So much paperwork. For any small thing, you have to do a lot of paperwork, and to get appointments, it is hard. Wherever you want, whomever you want to meet, you need to take an appointment.
Yeah, yeah.
Once I wanted to meet my professor, he told, "Mail me, I'll give you an appointment."
Oh.
So it is like that. When I was sick, I wanted to go to the hospital. Then I did not get my appointment. By the time I got my appointment, I was okay. I was feeling okay.
Yeah, it is like that here in Germany,
Yeah, it is
and they
like
are
that.
very strict and punctual. And
Yeah.
how do you like think about this punctual thing here in Germany? Like they are so punctual. Like,
Yeah,
is it like little bit
yeah.
shock to you or like?
Yeah, it is suffocating sometimes because yeah, I came. It's only been 2 months,
Yeah,
so now I'm getting used to it.
Mhm.
But starting, it was very hard.
Okay.
That punctuality, the timing, and all, because we are not used to that.
Okay.
Hyderabad in India, it is like you say 10 o'clock, the work starts at 11. But here you say 10 o'clock, 9:45, everyone are there waiting for you.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like that. And
Yeah.
thank you, Snehith, and thank you so much for your time.
Thank you,
And
man.
yeah,
Thank you
yeah.
so
See you
much.
around. Hi, Snehith.
హాయ్
నీకు కూడా
వంశీ.
మైక్
హాయ్ వంశీ. ఫస్ట్ ఎన్ని గ్లాసులు వాటర్ పోయాలి చెప్పు.
five cups.
ఓకే చెప్పు మామ.
ఇంకా బాగా చూపించుకో. ఓకే సో స్టార్ట్. సో వాట్ ఆర్ ద ఛాలెంజెస్ అండ్ ఛాలెంజెస్ ఇంకోటి
Problems.
ఓకే సరే మళ్ళీ వన్ మోర్ థింగ్. సో
అకార్డింగ్ టు దర్ టైప్స్ హియర్ దేర్ ఆర్
మాడిపోతుంది అది.
హియర్ ఇదంతా కట్ చేయాలి మధ్యలో. థ్యాంక్ యూ గైస్.